Hey everyone, welcome to this channel. Today we will see the different kitchen styles and design ideas. Kitchens are no longer just for cooking. They have become the heart of the home. Join us as we explore the exciting world of modern kitchen design. The kitchen has undergone a dramatic transformation over centuries, evolving from a simple hearth for cooking to a sophisticated, multifunctional space. The early kitchen, a heart of the home. Hearth as the centerpiece. Early kitchens revolved around the open hearth for cooking, heating, and light. Basic functionality: cooking utensils were simple, and storage was minimal. Social hub: the kitchen was often the heart of the home, where families gathered for meals and warmth. The industrial age, a functional space. Introduction of appliances: the late 19th and early 20th centuries saw the introduction of stoves, refrigerators, and sinks. Efficiency focus: kitchen design began to prioritize efficiency, with a focus on workflow and ergonomics. Separate space: kitchens became more isolated from the rest of the home. The modern era: form meets function. Open concept layout: the mid-20th century brought the open plan concept, integrating the kitchen into the living space. Emphasis on design: kitchens became more stylish, with a focus on aesthetics and materials. Technology integration: appliances became more sophisticated, with features like microwaves and dishwashers. The contemporary kitchen, a culinary and social hub. High-tech integration: smart appliances, touchscreens, and connectivity are now commonplace. Customization: kitchens are tailored to individual needs and tastes, with a wide range of materials and finishes available. Multifunctional space: the kitchen has become a social hub, often incorporating dining and entertainment areas. The modern kitchen today, a blend of style and function. Today's modern kitchen is a culmination of these trends, offering a perfect blend of style, function, and technology. Key features include minimalist aesthetics, clean lines, neutral colors, and ample natural light. High-quality materials: stainless steel, quartz, and glass are popular choices. Smart appliances: integration of technology for convenience and efficiency. Flexible layout: adaptable to various lifestyles and needs. Sustainable design: incorporating eco-friendly materials and practices. Modern kitchen: modern kitchens are characterized by clean lines, minimalist aesthetics, and a focus on functionality. They often feature sleek cabinetry, flat panel doors, handleless designs, and high-gloss finishes are common. Neutral color palette: whites, grays, and blacks are popular choices, creating a clean and airy atmosphere. High-quality materials: stainless steel, glass, and quartz are often used for countertops and appliances. Integrated appliances: built-in ovens, refrigerators, and dishwashers contribute to the streamlined look. Open layout: modern kitchens often flow seamlessly into adjacent living spaces. Smart technology: integration of smart appliances and lighting systems can enhance convenience and efficiency. Abundant lighting: natural light is maximized, and artificial lighting is strategically placed. Key features: emphasis on space and light, use of high-end materials, focus on functionality, minimalist decor. Overall, modern kitchens are designed to be both stylish and practical, creating a sophisticated and inviting space for cooking and entertaining. A modern kitchen is a harmonious blend of form and function, defined by its clean lines, minimalist aesthetics, and emphasis on practicality. Key characteristics: open plan layout: modern kitchens often flow seamlessly into the living or dining area, creating an open, spacious feel. Minimalist design: a focus on simplicity, with clean lines, uncluttered surfaces, and a limited color palette. Sleek cabinetry: flat panel doors, often handleless, create a smooth and uninterrupted look. High-gloss finishes are popular for a reflective, modern appearance. Neutral color palette: whites, grays, and blacks dominate, providing a clean and versatile backdrop. High-quality materials: stainless steel, glass, quartz, and engineered stone are commonly used for countertops and appliances. Integrated appliances: built-in ovens, refrigerators, and dishwashers contribute to the streamlined aesthetic. Smart technology: integration of smart appliances, touchscreens, and automated systems for convenience and efficiency. Design elements: Kitchen island, a central hub for cooking, dining, and socializing, often incorporating a breakfast bar or seating area. Large windows, maximizing natural light and creating a connection with the outdoors. Statement lighting, pendant lights or linear fixtures can be used to create a focal point. Backsplash, sleek materials like glass, marble, or large format tiles are popular choices. Storage solutions, hidden storage, pull-out drawers, and pantry-style cabinets maximize space efficiency. Atmosphere and functionality. Modern kitchens are designed to be both visually appealing and highly functional. They prioritize ample workspace, efficient layouts, and ergonomic design. The use of high-quality materials and appliances ensures durability and performance. In essence, a modern kitchen is a reflection of contemporary living, combining style, practicality, and a sense of sophistication. Materials and finishes. A key element of the modern kitchen is the careful selection of materials and finishes. Countertops, quartz, granite, and engineered stone are popular choices for their durability and sleek appearance. Glass and concrete countertops can also add a contemporary edge. Cabinetry, lacquered finishes, high gloss or matte, provide a clean and reflective surface. Thermofoil and acrylic are also common options for their durability and ease of maintenance. Backsplash, glass, metal, and large format porcelain tiles are frequently used to create a striking focal point. Flooring, engineered wood, porcelain tiles, and natural stone are popular choices. They should complement the overall color scheme and be easy to clean. Lighting. Lighting plays a crucial role in creating the desired atmosphere in a modern kitchen. Ambient lighting, recessed lighting is commonly used to provide general illumination. Task lighting, under-cabinet lighting and pendant lights over the kitchen island offer focused light for cooking and food preparation. Accent lighting, track lighting and spotlights can be used to highlight specific features, such as artwork or display shelves. Color palette. While neutral tones dominate modern kitchens, there's room for experimentation. Monochromatic schemes, black, white, and gray create a sleek and sophisticated look. Accent colors, bold hues can be introduced through accessories, artwork, or cabinetry for a pop of color. Natural tones, wood elements can bring warmth and texture to the space. Storage solutions. Efficient storage is essential in a modern kitchen. Hidden storage, pull-out drawers, pantry-style cabinets, and concealed appliances maximize space. Open shelving can be used to display cookbooks, decorative items, or glassware. Corner solutions utilize often wasted space with corner cabinets or pull-out shelves. Technology integration. Modern kitchens often incorporate the latest technology. Smart appliances, refrigerators with touch screens, induction cooktops, and oven controls can enhance convenience and efficiency. Home automation, integration with smart home systems for lighting, security, and climate control. Charging stations, built-in charging stations for smartphones and tablets. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.